序李孝柱 A 资产二甲110 AB 0064 李孝柱Cobalt question number 2002 Heron formula is a formula that can calculate the area of triangle, assuming that the length of the three sides of triangle are A, B, and C, respectively. Then the area of triangle is calculated. Please write down a program in COBOL programming language so that it can be input three in positive integer A, B, C from the keyboard and output the result of area on the screen. Refer to 109-year corporate treasury commercial bank newcomer examination mainframe programming personnel. The test question was scored 25 at that time. Okay, so first let's see what is Heron formula. Heron formula was credited to Heron of Alexandria for finding the area of triangle in terms of length of its sides in symbol if A, B, and C are the length of the three sides of the side. The formula for finding area ID square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where the half parameter or S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Heron is named after first century engineer Heron of Alexandria or Hero, who provided it in his work Meshritar, though it was probably known centuries earlier. Now let's know more about Heron or Hero. Who is Heron? Hero of Alexandria was a great mathematician and engineer who was active in his native city of Alexandria, Roman Egypt. He is often considered the greatest experimenter of antiquity, and his work is representative of the Hellenistic scientist tradition. Hero published a well-known recognized description of steam-powered device called Eolipide. Among his most famous inventions was a wide wheel, constituting the earliest instance of wind harnessing on the land. He is said to have been a follower of the atomists. In his work Mechanic, he described pantograph. Some of his ideas were derived from the work of Ctesibius. Much of Hero's original writing and design has been lost, but some of his work were preserved, including in manuscript from Eastern Roman Empire and to a lesser extent in Latin and Arabic translation. And this is the picture of windpipe and Eolipide. Song. For who doesn't know Eolipide or also known as Hero engine. It is a simple bladeless radial steam turbine which spins when the central water container is heated. Next, let's see how Heron formula works. So let's say I have a triangle that has the size of 9, 11, 16, and 16. So let's apply Heron formula. S in this situation is going to be the parameter divided by 2, which is the result of 9 plus 11 plus 16 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18, and then the area by Heron formula is going to be equal to square root of S, which is square root of S which is 18 times 18 minus 9 times 18 minus 11 times 18 minus 16, and the answer is equal to root of 18 to the root of 7, or 47.625. Back to our COBOL. This is the coding part. Definition: pick 5 variables are A, B, C, S, A, I, where 9 is the format of the data, that is the number, where 3 means that there are 3 digits, V is the decimal point, so 94395 means that the integer part has 4 digits and 5 digits in the decimal part. Except A allows us to know input a value of data A. The display A equal to use it to remind us that the value is input on the data A. For example, if you put 9 to data A, the output is 9 equal to 8. We will use the compute function to calculate for A plus B plus C divided by 2, which is S. Compute function is also used to calculate for A1. For example, let A equal to 9, B equal to 11, and C equal to 16. We will have to key this number one by one, and then the answer is 47.6235. If you remember, the answer is the same as the first example, the previous one. Now let's try another number. Let's make A equal to 3, B equal to 4, and C equal to 5. And their answer is 0.006.0. Thank you.